This is the video for the lower body exercises. In general, lower body is the most prone to injury due to lack of stretching afterwards. So, make sure you stretch after your workouts so you do not pull or sprain any muscles. In addition to the exercises you see here, you can add wall sits to exhaustion to this list to improve static balance. Lower body is very underrated in ninja, and most ninjas frankly do not like it. Matt and Akbar on the show say that lower body obstacles are always a toss-up for athletes, but that is simply not true. Most ninjas don't put in the time to train lower body and balance. This is one place you can really separate yourself from other ninjas your age, so make sure you put in the work in your lower body as much as your upper body. Leg raises. Start with your legs shoulder width apart. Use your calf muscles to raise your legs and make sure you are controlled by not letting your toes point outwards or inwards and by not slamming your heels onto the ground. Do 100 reps. If you want an added challenge, do leg lifts to the tempo of a song you like. Leg lifts are a great training for precisions, warped wall, static balance, and agility. Alternating lunges. Start with one foot in front of the other. Bend your right foot while making sure your knee doesn't pass your foot. Jump up and while in the middle of the air, switch feet. Perform 30 reps on each leg. Alternating lunges are great for warped wall, tack-offs, and agility. Jump squats. While you know how to do them, it is important to review form. Start with the feet a bit farther than shoulder width apart. Squat down, jump up while bringing your knees to your chest, then land softly by landing in a squat position. Complete 30 reps. Jump squats are great for prees, warped wall, and agility. Shrimp squat. Start with one leg off the ground. From there, squat down with the leg off the ground until you are at 90 degrees or further. Do 20 reps on each side. Shrimp squats are a great progression to pistol squats. Pistol squat. Do not attempt this until you can do 20 shrimp squats in a row and you can elevate your foot in the hip flexor stretch. Start with one foot out in front of you. Without taking your heel off the ground, continue to squat until you physically can't. Perform 10 on each side. Pistol squats are great for static balance. The next part is about getting some supplies from Home Depot to improve balance. Wooden 2x4 balance. The quickest way to improve generic balance is to construct the balance bars that we have in the gym. If you would like to do that, please feel free to ask a coach. However, a much simpler but more difficult in terms of balance solution is to use wooden 2x4s to balance on. In this video, I'm using 2x8s, but the technique is the same. You want to keep your foot straight on the board, have some bend in the knees, and shift your weight forward each time you step. 4-inch PVC pipe. To practice barrel obstacles, get some PVC pipes and practice rolling from point A to point B by leaning slightly forward with back as straight as possible, knees bent, and placing half of one foot behind the other while allowing the non-lifted foot to roll the barrel. Repeat to achieve a backwards walking motion. Finally, for precise foot placement obstacles, get 0.75-inch and 1-inch PVC caps. You want to place them on the inside of the ball of your foot. Start with them face down. Once you get good at that, you can face them up, although they will be wobbly. This will promote ankle stabilization and help prevent rolled ankles in the future. Finally, experiment with height, turns, combining balance, and having fun. With these lower body workouts, the lower body should alternate each day with leg strengthening and pure balance to achieve results relatively fast.